Hello guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be showing all my new things. Hopefully this was not my thumbnail. I don't know how to manage that. So we are going to be showing all my new fidgets. So let's start and grading all of them when I touched them. So let's get out all of them. I have new things because me and Sammy did some trading, my little sister, and it is very crazy the very little mochis I have now. So oh no, you guys could hear that. Oh no. I don't want anyone to hear that because I'm just going to be like trying to talk over it, and I don't know what copyright really means, but but just pretend you don't hear that. That's my mom's music to watch the bathroom. So the first one we're going to be doing is this wacky track. So Mommy, can you lower that, please? I'm doing something. Okay, a video. So, I really like this wacky track. Lower that, please. So, I really like this wacky track. I really like wacky tracks. You can shake them and stuff, but I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. The main reason is because it's so hard to put back together, so hard to pull out, and sometimes your skin gets caught in by accident and then it hurts. And I'm pretty sure that's how I have this cut right here. Yeah, that's how I have this cut right here. But I have a little teeny cut there, but it used to be big. It's, catching up. But, so yeah, 7 out of 10 for this wacky track. Monkey noodles. I like monkey noodles. Stretchy, like mochis. But you can squish them and stretch them. 4 out of 10. I mean, they hit you out like this, like ow. When my sister was doing this with it whacked her in the face. She started laughing, of course, but it's still, oh yeah, 4 out of 10. And they're really calming, and a lot of people offer good trades because these are just like my trimple. I will give this a 10 out of 10 because you could carry it around and everywhere. It has a keychain and it's so like little, and I love little things. You guys know that. I'm pretty sure. It's like I made these just 0 out of 10. I hate them. I can't believe I made that. But like I love this. Love and toy. But 10 out of 10. Oh gosh. So, I have a pen. A mesh ball. Mesh balls you can take anywhere too. You just and then you can turn it into a chip bag. Like you can use it in 2 ways actually. You could do this, or and I really like them. I like the noise. Very small easy to carry around. So 8 out of 10 because they kind of get ripped easily. Yeah, you can see that it's like kind of dirty. And I could actually open this. I can, I'm not joking. But I'm just not gonna do it. I mean, no, I can't. Like, I could just do like this and stretch it out more. Then it could pop out. And I don't really use those, so 8 out of 10. Pretty good though. So, mochis. Now I'm going to be showing all my mochis. My little sister Sammy, she loves mochi. She collects them, kinda. And I only have very little. Guess what, guys? I got the blue mochi. Mwah. So, yeah. These are all my mochis. Yeah. Sorry, I was doing that. Yeah. It's pathetic how little I have. A lot of people have like a box of them, or like at least I have 6. People usually have like 8 or 10. I have 6. I used to have 13. Yeah, I used to have 13. So, poppets. Now, I like fidgets, but I really like poppets. It's just like always been my thing. It's like my favorite fidget. They are very nice. Some mini poppets. I'm kind of calling this as a puppet, kind of. I don't know, but I'm not actually. But you can put them in your bag. You could just hold them, or like this one, you could keychain it. I did, and it was super cute looking. Like this brand new poppet I got yesterday at the mall. It was $22 just for a poppet, and I paid for it. So it is super cute. It's a Mickey one. Now I'm going to be rating every single one because I don't have any time for you mochis. Sorry, mochis. But because I already did a video about rating them, so I really like this one. It has a good side and a bad side, but the bad side is pretty good. Look, this is the bad side. This is the good side. Yeah, I'm doing bad side now. It is super good. I will give this a 10 out of 10. Oh, yeah, sorry. So, this heart. Now, I like it, but the bad side, it's worse than bad. It's terrible. Look, I can barely pop it without 2 hands. It literally sinks my fingers down and then it hurts my nails. But the good side is good. So, and I don't really, I'm not a big fan of it. I'm trying to trade it, but no one accepts my trades. So I'm just going to do a 7 out of 10 for you. I'll even trade a mini poppet for that. And I want a mini poppet, so it won't be so bad. I want to be yours. Sorry, I just have that. So, this is an original. Both sides are really good. I really like this puppet, but I'm trading it. And I really like this song that's playing. So I'm just gonna be quiet. So I will give this puppet a 9 out of 10 because, well, I don't know. I'm just gonna give it a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's a keychain. It's colorful. It is. Both sides are good. This is the good side. This is the bad side. Good side. Bad side. I'm just going to give it a 10 out of 10. I just can't help it. And I love how like mixes in the colors. So I don't know if I rated this one, but I'm just gonna do it really quick. So it's little, it's a cactus. You could just carry it around anywhere. The bad side is bad. Not bad, but it's just not the best bad side. What am I talking about? What am I talking about bad side? But it's a really good poppet. It's just, I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. Why is my closet open? So, because like these little prints, I got it from Five Below. So it's like actually printed on. So it feels like paper and I hate it. But then the good side is awesome. Like hear this. I really like this poppet. So 9.5 out of 10 because it feels like paper with the prints. So the last one, my first one, the lobster. I'm giving this 11 out of 10. I know 10 is the limit, but I just can't. Amazon puppets are awesome. Amazon puppets, both of the sides are good. This is the good side. Well, because usually the good side's on the back. So this is one of the. This is a good side, and this is the other good side. I don't know. It's just like it's awesome. I heart it. It is so good, and this is not my last things. These are. I'm gonna rate my punch ring 10 out of 10. I really like it. You could lose it though. No, 8 out of 10 because like if you actually squeeze it, it hurts. But I like it. And I almost just lost it. So 8 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10, almost 9. Okay. My fidget spinner. And I like it because I haven't had a fidget spinner in so long. Like a mini one. This is my first one. Not my first one, but like my first one that came in that I got from a train. And actually this is my first fidget spinner that I've got that includes a fidget. Because when I had fidget, I've never had a fidget spinner. But yeah, I'm just gonna say I never had it because if I did, I didn't remember and I probably didn't play with it because I didn't remember. And if I did, I'll probably still have them. And I like it because it has the fidget in the name, fidget spinner. It's super cute. I like it. 9 out of 10. Cause look. It's broken. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It's broken on 3 of them. And then 1 of them on the back. So, yeah. But that's all I think I am doing. Sorry, I'm not going to be playing with the Play-Doh. I don't think I'm ever going to play with the Play-Doh for a video. I'm sorry if you wanted me to play with Play-Doh. But I don't think you want to see a little 9-year-old playing with the Play-Doh. I'm about to be 9, I'm saying. So, and I have my mom's speaker over here. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna. Look, this is what I can do. I'm gonna face it down. So I'm blinded by the lights. Get it? Well, I don't know what to do. Well, so this is actually very good lighting. So I just like hang it from somewhere. Just like So, okay guys, I'm going to test out something later, but that is my fidgets. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'm probably going to get more fidgets soon, but you'll see me playing with some in some of my videos. So, bye guys, see you in the next video.